Alright, we're going to start the teardown of the lower section, Alpha 1 Outdrive. You can see part of the oil seal from the upper section tore loose and was stuck on the drive shaft. Today we're just going to take out the water pump.
There's 3 different sizes on this water pump or impeller. This one is a 7/16. This one is a 5/16. And then this one is a half. This one down here is also a 7/16. Andy's over there about sighing because he can't say anything.
Hey, we have freedom of speech in this country. Yeah, don't break that cheap plastic housing.
I think this is just some type of...
Doohickey.
I think it was a rubber bushing, maybe? That
Looks like
pushes
it might
down.
need to be replaced.
It's split in half, yes.
You don't think we can just JB weld that back together?
No. No, I do not. Yeah, it's rubber in there as well. No, I guess I have to take this O-ring off now.
Ah, look, it's full of some sort of vegetative matter.
I think it's a bug's nest.
I wonder the engine wouldn't spin. Here's the old impeller. It doesn't look too bad. Maybe we can straighten the fins and reuse this. I think that's where the water's supposed to go through.
I believe it is. Probably have to take that off to clean it out the rest of it.
I'm going to take off the inlets to see how much debris is inside.
These just kind of slide in like that, and they're screwed together from one screw through this one to this one.
We've reached the limit of what we can do until we find a way to get the propeller off. So join us for MerCruiser Alpha Outdrive Teardown Part 4 when we try some sort of propeller puller to get that off. I'd really like to remove it without damaging the propeller. It's a nice stainless steel prop we'd like to reuse. And once the teardown's done, we'll go ahead and order a parts kit and see if we can get this put back together. Until then,